in resources, you're gonna find a link. It's a Figma link of our UI design. If you see here, you're gonna find 8 screens. Those are the screens that we're gonna build in this section. It's better and good experience to install Figma app instead of opening it inside the web. So it's better to download Figma app and display inside it. Figma app is free. So you're gonna find the link in resources. Just open this design because we're gonna implement those screens inside this section. Now let's go and create our React Native project. So here, select any folder that you want and open a terminal inside this folder. And let's write this command. nbx create expo app at latest. Then we're gonna add our project name. I'm gonna name it UI mastering. And I'm gonna select this template option. Template. Why I type this template option? Because if you see here in documentations, when you select this template options, you're gonna select one of those. The default one, the plank with TypeScript and tabs and per minimum. And because I assume that you are beginner, so I'm gonna use the plank to install it with the minimum required npm dependencies without any configuration or navigation or any typed code. Okay, but if I select the default, he's gonna include tools like Expo CLI, Expo Router Library, and other things. So this is designed for production. But for learning, I'm gonna start with Plank without any typed code. Okay, so I'm gonna add this dash template option and press enter. Then I'm gonna select Plank with TypeScript and press enter. Now let's wait until our project is done and ready. Now our project is ready. Let's go to our root of project, cd UI mastering, and let's open it inside VS Code. So let's just type dot to open it inside VS Code. And here our project. Let's try to run it. So let's just type npm start. And let's press I to run it on iOS, or you can press A to run it on Android. Now our project is ready. Next lesson, we're gonna start building our first screen. We're gonna start with this simple one.